Hey everybody, Monday morning, September 8th, 2025. Astro Excel review. Here's the pattern from last week. The pattern was pretty good, but we were a little bit out of phase. The actual low came in on the 2nd. The Astro Excel low came in early morning of the 3rd. So we were out of phase a bit there, but overall the general trend pattern for the week was good. I'm going to move into the projection for this week here. Looking at the pattern for the week, we're in bullish territory with the green line running flat but hanging around the 20 line. We start dipping down tomorrow early morning around 8:10 a.m. we start to drift down, go right back down to the 0 line where it bottoms out in the evening. Still hanging in bullish territory, but we're relatively flat going through Wednesday. We've got an up and a down where the bottom comes in around midnight on the 11th. Then we get a strong move up where we get above the plus 40 line again, coming into the 12th, Friday, where we're getting up again, making a big push above the 40 line. So that end of the week is going to be fairly bullish. So overall, big kind of a bullish tendency for the week. We've got downturns late today through Tuesday, slightly down in bullish territory into Thursday, and then up Thursday, Friday. Blue line spikes. We've got a big spike at the end of the day today. It'll be right after the end of the day session at 1700. So at that point, it's likely not to be anything significant. On the 10th, we have a low here at 3 a.m. We push to a high here at 7 a.m. Another low in the quiet time at 2200. These are near the 10 line on the 11th, 1300, and end of session at 1600. And then right at midnight here, we've got this spike high as we start the 12th, and then a double spike low at 3 and in the 7 hour. So that's what we're looking at for this week. The most significant trend pressure where we have confluence is going to be in this area right here. These tandem moves down, this move up right here, and then the move on Friday from early morning all the way through the day on Friday. So that's what we're looking at for the week for our general direction roadmap.